Guys, bike silencer just fell off. Hello guys, this is Manjil and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So another day, another ride. आज हम जा रहे हैं घूम. This is probably the highest railway station in India. In India, I guess, yes. And also we'll be going to some other places. The map is on the screen. This will be our route, and it started raining now. अभी तक बारिश नहीं हो रहा था, अभी होने लग गया. क्योंकि मैं इंट्रो कर रहा हूँ, ऑब्वियसली मैं निकल रहा हूँ तो बारिश तो होना ही है. तो फट से रेडी होके निकलते हैं यहाँ से. I'll see you guys on the ride. So this guy will be the one going. तेरा दाइला नमस्ते कर. Who is this? This is Biraj. He'll be going with me. First thing first, this is a long ride, so let me just send my live location to my brother, for safety. I won't be keeping him updated, so he can at least see where I reached. निकलते jump. It was raining when I was doing my intro, but it stopped now, so it's a good sign. I'll be taking left from here. Darjeeling is 77. I guess I still have around 70 kilometers. Hey, no. That is the least thing I would do. मैं अपने आप को कहीं जाके ठोक दूंगा, लेकिन इनको नहीं ठोकूंगा कसम से. So this is the same route I went to Kurseong, but I'll be taking a left in about 2 kilometers. I'll be taking left. This is another way to Mirik as well. I took the other way the other time. This is different route again. So probably I'm around 60 kilometers. 60 kilometers of this beautiful scene, I suppose. This is so nice, so beautiful. This beauty. It feels so fresh to be riding here. Now this is the view. Look at the view. Such a nice place. This guy, I have always been waiting for this guy. Always late. Such a nice place. That is where I want to go. The tower over there. But it's not possible, I guess. Jump. As we go up, the fog is covering the roads. It was clear down there, but also wanted to show you guys this view. Oh my god, this is really nice. There's the guy who's always late. Such a nice view. I don't know if I'm audible, but we just crossed Kaohsiung. It was raining so hard I couldn't take my camera out. So anyways, we just came straight. We didn't go anywhere. So right now we are heading towards Ghum. If we follow this railway track, I guess this might lead us to the railway station, and that is the last point I'll be going. I want to show you guys the view, but the fog, I don't know what this is. The cloud have covered everything, so that is why I'm not being able to stop in some places. So this is Margaret's Deck. My brother was telling me about this place, so he was telling me to have at least a cup of tea over here. Not really a tea person, but I can give it a try. These are the tea collection, and Margaret's Hope, First Flush, Vintage. These are the names. These are the, I guess, certificate. I don't know. Nice place over here. And plenty of space, and the view is absolutely amazing. There's a space over here as well. And then the reception is over there, and this is the view. This is the view. Yeah, Viraj. This guy is having hot chocolate. And I'm having Boom Bam tea. Boom Bam, I know. Boor Bam Delight. Guys, Boom Bam tea. Nice place. Let's go inside. खाएकै छुइनँ यार, म त चिसो भइसक्यो होला. But this is the place. Nice place over here. Had a nice cup of tea. So what happened is this guy's bike silencer just fell off. The silencer is over here. Oh, कहाँदेखि के बान्नु कि के गर्नु यसलाई? See, the bike is without silencer. It looks good like this, by the way. So we've come up with an idea. Instead of fixing the silencer, we tied it over here. I bought some binding wire. Then we tied it over here. एउटा के भन्छ वर्कसपसम्म जानुपर्छ यतिकै जुम 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 खै चाबी दे त गयो पनि गयो के भएको यो पनि टुटेको गयो So this is the railway station I was talking about. I'll stop somewhere and then show you guys. It's really cold. So this is the railway station I was talking about. Goom. And this is the train. It's a little crowded. These are the eating area. And it's a small station, but then the only thing is it's probably the highest railway station in India. So this is the railway station. There's another train over there. This is what we're having after a very long ride. We are just having the same. This is Thuppa. So एकदम छिटो खानु छ भाइ यस्तो भोक लागेछ नि This is the view. So I'll see you guys on the way again. So we are leaving Goom right now and going towards Lopchu. And this is the way. So I was returning back and I came across this place. Small way. I parked my bike over there. Just look at this place.
Disco. यो 30 को
कहाँ बनाउँछ यो चाहिँ
यो माथि
यही छ यसको फ्याक्ट्री
माथि छ मैले गयो भने त्यति नै पर्छ
सारे हेर्नु एउटा खाइदिनु
ए
यसकै लागि होला मलाई भन्नुको दादा वापस आएको यहीका लागि
यो 20 को यो 30 को
जान्छौँ So this is why I came this far. Kere Lopchu ko peda. Brought this over here. I don't know the name of the Lopchu ko peda. It's made in this place. The factory is somewhere over there. होइन होइन हामी घुरेको कि त्यही भएर जान्छौँ हजुर जी
ये कौन सा बाइक है?
विटपिलन।
अच्छा अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है, मस्त लग रहा है। कहाँ बाहर के है? बोलो बाइक देखो।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, बाहर का तो हाँ ऑब्वियसली बाहर का ही है, स्वीडिश कंपनी है।
अच्छा, कितने का है ये?
230।
ये भी ठीक है। अच्छा लग रहा है। सॉरी आपको डिस्टर्ब किया।
नहीं कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात। सिलीगुड़ी में है इसका शोरूम।
हाँ
हाँ, KTM में ही रखा है।
ओह,
हम निकलते हैं, थोड़ी लेट हो रहा है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। They wanted to know the name of the bike and also the price. So I guess I'll see you guys in Tista. Yeah, Tista Bridge. Such a quiet place. This is something I never expected. वो सिलीगुड़ी 53 भन्छ त अनि यता हो। ओए 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 कुतु कुतु कुतु। This is the Coronation Bridge, and look at this guy. He must have met with an accident. Hey, no. This is the bridge. Looks nice. It looks old. So this is another view of Tista. You need to ignore this view and admire this view, I guess. Nice, nice, nice. Hey Kansas, huh? Hey Kansas. Ila, Kansas. You guys like the video. We'll be going to some other place in a week, in another 3 to 4 days. And look at this river. This is a huge, massive river. Please like, share and subscribe, and also let me know in the comment where I should visit next. There's a small waterfall over there, small tiny one. There's a small, I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is it, another 50 kilometers to go. See you guys in another video.